Good morning everyone. Maraming salamat Arm. Maraming salamat Audrey. Maraming salamat Lloyd. Maraming salamat sa mga taga-smart dito, lalo na yung mga taga-finance na talagang pinitigan namin para makuha namin yung presyo. Na kikita kayo at kikita yung mga content partners namin. Hindi na balik kami. Hindi na balik kami. Anyway, congratulations on your kick launch. We're very supportive of that launch. And one of your key words was you're going to delight your customers. In order to delight customers, it's that convenience of a multiple eSIM. Wow, that's amazing. First time I heard about that, right? But then, what other ways to delight the customer than with content? Pero pag titignan niyo po dito, medyo dihado kami. Tingnan niyo. Network. Viva Max. Viva pala. Okay. ABS-CBN. Sino kami? So kung anong kakurangan namin sa content, bibirahin na lang namin sa innovation. So, if you, tayo, mapalad ng karamihan dito, kaya kayo nandito. Naka-postpaid kayo, naka-ganyan kayo. Pag-uwi natin, we have Netflix, we have Amazon Prime, Hulu, meron mga Hulu, wala pala, Paramount, HBO. Truth be told, ang mahal nun. Mahal yun para sa masa. In fact, yung subscription nun, sabihin na natin yung entry level ng Netflix, 149 pesos a month. Ang mahal doon, hindi naman yung data, yung subscription eh. What's expensive there is the data. So yun ang ina-address namin. Right? So gusto namin, the benefits that we enjoy from having to go home, not thinking about data usage, watching Netflix when we want to, gusto natin makuha yung masa na ma-enjoy din yung mga na-enjoy natin. Whether they're on the go or papauwi na sila sa bahay nila. So, we are proud to pioneer. Well, hindi na pala pioneer kasi nung narinig ko yung speech nila, hindi na kami pioneer. Pero gagawa pa kami ng isang pioneer. We are proud to introduce once the first data-infused sachet subscription service. Isa-isayin natin. Sachet subscription service. Tama lang. Subscription. Data-infused. Meron ng data sa abot presyong halaga. Papakita namin yun. And so, pakita na namin yung aming video. Are we ready to roll? Thank you.
Watch app. No app needed at hindi kailangan ng monthly subscription. For as low as 5 pesos, manood ng 90 minutes of non-stop videos. Pwedeng mamili ng papanoorin, kwanto sawa. Watch all your favorite vlogs, TV shows, and movies all in one place. At makakasama na rin ang ating WhatsApp ambassador, Ivana Alawi. WhatsApp.ph. Your super affordable video streaming anytime, anywhere. Thank you.